Today we are going to solve this question, that is 5 raised to the power of 75 plus 5 raised to the power of 15 plus 2 divided by 5 raised to the power of 60 minus 5 raised to the power of 45 plus 5 raised to the power of 30 minus 5 raised to the power of 15 plus 2. Let's see how to solve this type of question. At the numerator, what we have 5 raised to the power of 75, 5 raised to the power of 15. At denominator, we have 5 raised to the power of 60, 5 raised to the power of 45, 30, 15. So each and every time, if you write 5 raised to the power of 75, 5 raised to the power of 60, 5 raised to the power of 45, 5 raised to the power of 30, it's so difficult. That's why let us consider A as 5 raised to the power of 15. Because here 75, 60, 45, 30, 15, these are all multiples of 15. That's why if you take some A as 5 raised to the power of 15, then if you do A square, that means 5 raised to the power of 15 whole square. It is in the form of A raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of n. According to the formula, we can write this as A raised to the power of mn. 5 raised to the power of 15 times 2, which is 30. So A raised to the power of 2, the value is 5 raised to the power of 30. So we got this. Now let's do A raised to the power of 3. That means 5 raised to the power of 15 whole raised to the power of 3. So this is also, it is in the form of this formula. According to this formula, we can write this as 5 raised to the power of 15 times 3, which is 45. So we got this term also. Now we need 5 raised to the power of 60. That means now we have to do A raised to the power of 4. That is 5 raised to the power of 15 whole raised to the power of 4. So using this same formula again, we can write this as 15 times 4, which is 60. So now we got this. Now we need 5 raised to the power of 75. So that's why we need to do power 5. So A raised to the power of 5, the value is 5 raised to the power of 75. Let's substitute these A values in our expression. So 5 raised to the power of 75 is nothing but A raised to the power of 5. So let's write A raised to the power of 5 plus 5 raised to the power of 15 is nothing but A. So just write A plus 2 over 5 raised to the power of 60. So it's nothing but A raised to the power of 4. So let's take A raised to the power of 4 minus 5 raised to the power of 45 is A raised to the power of 3 plus A raised to the power of 2 minus A plus 2. So here numerator and denominator. So it is in a division form. So that's why let's do division. So what we have A raised to the power of 4 minus A raised to the power of 3 plus A raised to the power of 3 plus A raised to the power of 2 minus A plus 2, that is the denominator. A raised to the power of 5 plus A plus 2. Let's do the long division. In the first term we have A raised to the power of 4 and here we have A raised to the power of 5. So for this A raised to the power of 4, if you do times A, then for the A in the power it has 1. So A raised to the power of 1 is nothing but A only. So when bases are same, we can add the exponents. So A raised to the power of 4 plus 1, which gives 5. So that's why first time we do with A. So A raised to the power of 4 times A, which gives A raised to the power of 5. Then minus A raised to the power of 3 times A. A is nothing but A raised to the power of 1. So when bases are same, we can add the exponents. That is 3 plus 1, which gives minus A raised to the power of 4. So let's write it here. Now we have plus A raised to the power of 2. Now multiply with this A. A raised to the power of 2 times A, which gives A raised to the power of 3. So plus A raised to the power of 3. Now we have minus A times A, which gives minus A power 2. Now we have 2 times A, which gives plus 2A. First we need to change the signs. So this is already we have, this is plus sign. So after changing it will become minus A raised to the power of 4. When the sign changes, it changes into positive, and here negative, here positive, and here negative. So here plus A raised to the power of 5 and here minus A raised to the power of 5 gets cancelled. And then here only we have A raised to the power of 4 single term. Let's take only that A raised to the power of 4 plus A raised to the power of 4, and here we have minus A raised to the power of 3, and here we have plus A raised to the power of 2 minus 2A plus A, which gives minus 2A plus A, which gives minus A. So just write minus A, and now we have the constant term, that is plus 2. Just write plus 2. So here we have A raised to the power of 4 and here we have A raised to the power of 4. So both are same term. That's why have to do with plus 1. So a raised to power of 4 times 1, which gives a raised to power of 4. This is also plus. Minus a raised to power of 3 times 1, which gives minus a raised to power of 3. Then plus a raised to power of 2 times 1, which gives plus a raised to power of 2. Minus a times 1, which gives minus a. Plus 2 times 1, which gives plus 2. So now change the signs. So this is a plus sign, change into minus. This is minus, it change into plus, minus, plus, minus. So now these two terms gets cancelled, and here minus a power 3 and here plus a power 3. It gets cancelled, and here plus a power 2 minus a power 2. It gets cancelled, and here minus a and this is plus a. This also gets cancelled, and plus 2 minus 2, this also gets cancelled, so you 0. So after doing division, so we got this a plus 1. Then we got a plus 1 as a result. So we assumed a as 5 raised to power of 15. So just write that. So that is equal to 5 raised to power of 15 plus 1. This is the result. That's it. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.